Ever accidentally wiped out crucial data or worried about someone messing with your carefully crafted spreadsheet? Today, we're diving into how to lock cells in Google Sheets, a simple yet powerful way to protect your data from accidental changes or unauthorized edits. First, select the cell or range of cells you want to protect. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired area. Next, right-click on the selected range in the drop-down menu that appears. Choose Protect Range. A Protected Sheets and Ranges sidebar will pop up on the right side of your screen. In the description field, give your protected range a descriptive name, like budget totals or master data. This will help you keep track of your protections. Now, click on the Set Permissions button. This is where you decide who can edit the protected range. You have a few options here. You can restrict editing to only yourself, ensuring that no one else can make changes. Or, you can choose Custom and specifically allow certain people to edit the range while restricting everyone else. Just enter their email addresses. Finally, click Done. Now, when someone tries to edit a protected cell without permission, they'll see a warning message. This will prevent accidental or unauthorized changes. Locking cells is especially useful for collaborative projects and financial spreadsheets, giving you peace of mind and maintaining control over your valuable data.